channel. I'm CoCo Covie for all you guys that don't know. I hope you enjoyed that first video shoot of me. Since I've been making wigs, it has been long that I made a wig for myself. To be quite frank, it wasn't actually planned for me to install this hair on myself. The client that's supposed to buy the wig and get the hair installed decided not to reply anymore, so now I installed the hair on myself. I find it very gorgeous. I wore it on some olive green top, as you can see in the first clip, and it really looked nice. And about my Q&A video, the next video is gonna be my Q&A, so I'm gonna answer most of your questions. There were really very many of your questions, so just be patient and just keep on watching.
Things you'll be needing: 2 packs of color 8 expression braiding hair, and I had some left of the 613 expression braiding hair. That's what I used for the wig. Then a mannequin head with my wig cap and a 4x4 closure. This lace is a little light for me, but you can make it darker with foundation. Next, I pinned my 4x4 closure onto my mannequin head using some pins. Starting with a wig. As you can see, I've already started with the wig. I just crocheted as I usually always do. Many of you all wanted to know how I connect the closure with the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna show you how I do that, because I always tell you that I crochet the lace onto my wig cap. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's very self-explanatory. You just loop through the wig cap and the lace, then grab some hair and make a double knot for extra security. See? Very easy. That's what I did all over the hair. So now, some of you all already know how I crochet the rest of the hair, but just for people that see this video for the first time, that have not known me, I'm just going to demonstrate how I like to crochet. I like to crochet in angled motions. I grab some hair, loop it through, and that's it. That's all I do. Since it's a two-toned wig, I put some color 613 in some areas and the color 8 in some other areas, as you can see. So this is what I did all over the hair. It's very self-explanatory and very easy to make, and that's why I did it, because no need for me to spend crazy amounts of money for a wig when I can make mine. So this is the hair after crocheting everything. This is the hair. Next for me is to just brush the hair for it to be tangle free. And as you can see, I put some blonde in the back, just in random spots, not too much, because it should be really highlighted just in the front. I really wanted the focus to be in the front for the highlights. Next for me is to just brush the hair for it to be tangle free. Then this inside piece right here, I'm just gonna chop it right off with a sharp scissors. Please be careful while chopping this inside piece off. You don't want to chop too much off and then have a hole, or you don't want to chop off the lace underneath. That's why I always say please be careful while chopping this inside piece off. So now that that inside piece is gone, you can really see how the lace is coming through. And this is the inside of the wig, very neat and very clean. I'm always so happy when my work is clean. Making the closure. I always put some white paper underneath. This paper is very thin. It's the paper you can find when you buy new shoes. That paper that is inside the shoe is what I use, because the paper is very thin. So as you can see, the grids are very, you can't really see it. So I use this powder hack. I use powder and just rub it on the lace for me to see the grids easier. As you can see, I've already started with the closure. I've done 50% of the wig. I only altered between brown and blonde. So in this side, I'm gonna show you how I really did it. I'm gonna make it in angled motions. It's very self-explanatory, so I'll show you how I make it by showing you how I crochet the closure. So I grabbed some blonde and I'm gonna work in diagonal motions because I wanted the blonde to be focused on these two lines. And this is how the hair should look like once you're done with the first blonde section and onto the next one. Working in an angled motion allows the hair to fall in the place you want it to be, because this hair, you cannot dye the hair like normal human hair. That's why you have to work in an angled motion for the hair to fall in place. If you work in normal sections how I usually crochet my closures, it will not work as well as in an angled motion. That's what I did. And now I've done this blonde sections. The remaining now is for me to just add some brown to the empty spots. And the empty spots can be crocheted as I usually crochet my closures. There's nothing more satisfying than the last row of crocheting your closure. It's so satisfying because you just know you're gonna be done in some seconds, and I love that feeling. That's why I showed you the last piece of crocheting my closure. And we're done. You don't know how happy I am to be done with this wig. This is the outcome of the wig, and I'm very satisfied with the outcome. And this is the finished look. It looks so cool on me. I am in love with this wig. It wasn't actually planned for me to wear the wig, but come on, this wig looks amazing. And it didn't cost me anything. I mean, I bought the expression braiding hair, I bought the wig cap. Don't worry, in my Q&A video I'm gonna share with you tricks and perks on how to get the hair shiny, looking nice, silky, you know. So if you want to see more of this, write in the comment section down below and I will make a tutorial.